Dive into a world of wonder with rare and unusual plant varieties. There are so many unique flora out there, each with their own unique characteristics and stories. Let's start with the ghost orchid, a flower that is not only beautiful, but also quite elusive. One of the rarest flowers in the world, blooms just once a year, under perfect conditions. To witness this bloom is truly a majestic spectacle. The ghost orchid's beauty is ephemeral, fleeting, much like a ghost. It's these qualities that make it so sought after by plant enthusiasts from all corners of the globe. Then there's the amazing Welwitschia Mirabilis, a plant that seems to defy all logic and reason. This particular variety has adapted to survive in the harsh conditions of the desert, sustaining itself solely on dew. It's a testament to the resilience of life and the amazing adaptability of plants. Have you ever met the Titan Arum? It's a plant famous for unique characteristic. It's not its size or its color that makes it stand out, rather, its aroma that has earned it its fame. The scent of this plant is, well, let's just say, it's not the most pleasant, but this intriguing feature only adds to its charm, making it all the more fascinating for plant lovers everywhere. Next, let's introduce the baseball plant. This plant is a fun one, with a shape that strikingly resembles a baseball. It even has the ridges and roundness of a baseball, making it look like it's ready to be pitched in the major leagues. It's a quirky addition to any plant collection. Then we come to the dancing plant. It reacts to music and is known for its rhythmic movements. Just play a tune and watch how it responds. It's a sight to behold and a testament to the interactive and responsive nature of plants. Each of these plants has its own story to tell, its own unique place in the grand tapestry of life. They're reminders of the beauty and variety of our natural world, and they make our green earth that much more interesting. Here, every day is a green thumb adventure. We're always looking for new ways to explore and appreciate the natural world around us. Remember, the world is full of wonders just waiting to be discovered, so don't let your curiosity be curbed. Keep exploring. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more daily updates on plants.